What's going on, guys? This is a completely different video than anything that y'all have seen so far on this channel, but I really hope y'all enjoy it. But I want to say some things first. The first shooter is a kid who had never been in a helicopter and had never shot an AR in his life. So please, let's keep the comments to a minimum on that. After that, whenever you're looking through the scope, that's me shooting back in December. I've had the footage for a while, really didn't know what to do with it, and then now I just added it onto the back of this video. In the video, you'll see some damage by a pig and other pigs, but one of the pigs specifically, because we killed him in the field, or that kid did. You'll see this huge field and all this damage that you can see from where the pigs came from. What I'm assuming is a creek, this little green tree line. They came up into the corn and then they've just wiped it out. All this footage, all of this is filmed by me, of someone else shooting, like I said, or me shooting, and it's filmed with a GoPro or my phone. Yeah, I was filming my phone, the stuff through the scope. But let me know in the comments what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like this type of stuff. I do a lot of hunting, a lot of thermal stuff, so like nighttime, night vision hunting, all those sorts of things. I do some helicopter stuff every now and then when I get the chance, with Last Shadow. It's a company I work with. But yeah, guys, y'all want to see some awesome helicopter hog hunting footage? Here you go.